guys! So we just went to a place called Flintstones Travel. Yeah, as you can see over there, it's a car rental agency. So we checked out the reviews, it's pretty good. And we got ourselves
a car!
A Renault! It's pretty cool, it runs on diesel and everything. So we'll be looking to explore Cappadocia. Yeah, with this car. So let's go!
Let's go! We're here.
Tiny though.
Do you think we visited the Hobbits? Yo, Frodo!
Ouch!
Cappadocia is really cool because it has like a moon-like surface on the land, and it was actually created a really long time ago due to a volcanic eruption that left a layer of soft ash on the surface, which over the years got eroded by wind, water and rivers that meandered through the entire region, so leading to what it is today. And it's really cool because this open air museum, not only do you get to see that surface, which is consistent throughout Cappadocia, but you can see all these conical structures behind me, which actually people built cave houses in them as well as churches.
So I'm now driving to one of the underground cities.
Finally done exploring the underground city. The whole journey took about 15 minutes, but you're just really compressed in these small tunnels. Yeah, it's quite an interesting feeling just being in somewhere that dates all the way back to BC. Man's trying to get the kitty off his lap.
Okay, go. Jump. Jump. Hey guys! So after an hour's drive, and I think about 10 minutes walk down, we are finally down here in the Ihlara Valley!
Yay!
Yeah, you can see the signs above us. Ihlara Valley!
Ihlara Valley!
Yeah, so we just played with some kittens and then walked across a bridge, and now I think we're time to do a bit of exploration of the valley.
Yes, you can hike here if you want. It's a 2-hour hike.
Yeah, a one-way.
Yeah.
So we are probably not doing that because we drove a car here. So we're just for a few minutes and we'll see how.
Yeah, no hiking today, but if you want to, it's really gonna be nice. So right now we are at the ferry chimneys in Pasabagi, and you can see right in front of me, that's where they all live. Here. There's a couple just right next to me and they're taking their wedding photos here. Beautiful! Wow. Oh my gosh guys, we were just driving off and look what we saw! A camel! We found the entrance to Pigeon Valley. It wasn't very straightforward. It was like next to this tree with like decorative elements. But anyway, we found the entrance to Pigeon Valley and it's just right behind me.
Just with a Gandalf stick.
It's dropping. There! I'm done. So the slope is really slippery, so here's a travel tip for you. If you find any strong branches along the way that have fallen, use them as a walking stick. This even provides shade from the sun. Multi-purpose!
Okay, let's go.
Okay, now we're gonna leave this here as a landmark
No, don't need,
so
don't
we
need.
don't get lost.
Oh, this is it. We came from here, climbed up this place, and we are now. Maybe just pop your head in, but don't go in fully, you know.
After a hike and a climb, we are right at the top of Uchisa Castle, which is the highest point in the region, and it's beautiful. The view is incredible, as you can see.
Right, hey guys, so we have come to the end of our Cappadocia trip, and we hope you enjoyed the journey as much as we did.
And if you liked our travel video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of our travel videos, please click here to subscribe.
And click there for more travel videos like this.
And please click here for our travel guide if you want to plan your trip to Cappadocia. See you next time!
See ya!
Hot tub!
So if you don't know guys, we are now in our hot tub in Cappadocia in our hotel, Nakla. So it's we have a beautiful view as well, we'll show you there.
It is the best!
But for now, we enjoy!
Ooh. Now the question is, who's gonna go out to switch off the GoPro?